This is Haya, pharmacist at Sands RX Pharmacy. I'm here to talk about the innovative Rocketmolds. This is a step-by-step method to show how to use it. This is the applicator, and these are the Rocketmolds. They come in strips of 10s. Before using the product, either wash hands or wear gloves. First step would be to tear off the suppository mold, to open the cap, and insert the applicator. Flex the bottom, squeeze the tip gently until the dose comes into the applicator. Insert vaginally, push the plunger up, trash the mold, keep the applicator. Applicators are reusable. Wash thoroughly with soap and water. You can use a straw brush to clean the applicator from the inside. Make sure you dry before next use. Do not put in the dishwasher. Suppositories should be refrigerated at all times. These are the same dose as the old mold, but easier use, no leakage, and each mold can be used individually. If you have any further questions about frequency and duration of therapy, refer to your healthcare provider.